Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Now, if you are new to the channel, I have an IS350 and this is my 2022 GX460 that we purchased around 10-11 months ago. So this is pretty much my wife's car. She drives the car. I only drive it sometimes. And today I will install I will show you how to hardwire a radar detector on a 2022 GX460 or 23 or maybe 2010 and up, because they're all the same thing. But what we're going to install today is this Hardwire Rad 380. That's the back right here. Well, that's just the cover, and this is the backs, and inside that's the radar itself. And if you open that up, down here it comes with his suction cup, which isn't good, and I'm not going to use this, and the wire that you have to plug to the cigarette lighter. But since I'm going to hardwire this, I'm not going to use these at all. And then what are we going to use to hardwire the radar? It's this dongle. Now this one, they make it for dash cam, but I didn't use this for the dash cam. Now I did a video on how to hardwire dash cam on this car. You can check it out. The main reason why I did not use the dongle for the dash cam, it's because I wanted the dash cam to record at all time. Like if you go to the grocery store or work, you park the car, I wanted the dash cam to continuously recording everything, because with this thing what happened is it only record, the dash cam would only record when the car is running, like when the ignition is on, and then once you turn the car off, this would not work. So that's why I didn't use that for the dash cam. I actually hardwired the dash cam to the fuse box. So I figured that since I didn't use this, I can use it for the radar. So you're gonna need this, and you're gonna need a proper suction cup like I did, because the one that the radar come with is too flimsy. And then you gonna need to a kind of USB power outlet for the radar. So now I have the link for all these from Amazon, and I think you can find them on eBay as well. I'll find the link for you guys. All right, let's make it happen. All right, as you can see, this is the dash cam. As you can see, it's recording. Now what we're going to do is put this down and try to get in here. Now if you have a GX, like the base model or the base premium, you don't have these. You only have that little thing right here, so it'll be easier to hardwire the radar here. But since this one is the premium plus package, so if you have the premium plus package or the luxury package, you're gonna have these backs right here, because you have all the radar, range sensor, and all those things in here. So what we're going to do, honestly, these backs right here, I don't even know how I'm gonna remove this. I think you have to put it down. I'm not too sure, so I'll find that out, because I know this little part right here, someone told me that you cannot remove this one right there unless you pull this down. So what we're going to do is pull these bags down and try to take it off, and then we'll go from here. Once we get this part off, everything will be super easy. Okay, half hour later, I finally get this thing off. Now, this thing was a pain. So the trick is this little piece right here, you like that one, you gonna have to carefully pop this out. Don't force it, take your time. Because it's a brand new car, it's gonna be hard. So you just have to put your fingers right there, both of them, if they can fit, and then pop this piece out, and then this will come down like this, and then you can pull this one out and then slide this one down. Like I said, it took me half hour because I didn't want to break anything, but this is right here, it's the main problem. So if you don't have the premium plus package or the luxury package, you don't have all this crap up here, it'll be easier for you to do that. But if you have this, just be careful, because if you break that, then you're gonna need a new one, and I don't know how much these cost. All right, now that we have this piece off, let's go ahead and install it. All right, now this wire right here is the one you're going to unplug, and then you're gonna take your tongue guard and you're gonna unplug it here, and then this one you're gonna plug this wire into that one, and then the USB part is where you're going to plug your radar. All right, let's do that. And just like that, it's out. Very easy. And then this one, it's pretty much gonna go in here like this. Hopefully it worked. Haha. And then what you're going to do, you are gonna plug this wire in here. Like I said, this wire is gonna go in here like this, like that. And now you're all set. Now the only thing you have to do is plug your radar. First, I'm going to turn the ignition on to test it out. So this one, it's our crowbar USB power outlet, as you can see here, and this is the head. And this wire, it's a little bit longer than I want it to, so I'm gonna do my best to make this whole thing probably sit down here inside that box if it can. So what I'm going to do now is plug this on here, and then test the ignition and make sure that, turn on the ignition and make sure that everything works properly. All right, now that we know that it's working, what I'm going to do is put this thing back. All right, now that I have this back on, what I'm going to do is try to tug this wire down there, but it's a lot of wire. Let's see if I can tuck most of it down here. But the next thing we're going to do is see where we're gonna put that suction cup, and I want to put the, let's see, if I pull this up, I want to put the radar like right here, like right there. And don't forget to remove that plastic piece right here. I hope this thing lasts. Let's see. I was thinking like right here, right there, and you're just gonna slide this in like that. As you can see, it's face a little bit down. You can always move it and tie it up. Now here's what I was saying. This wire is so long, so I'm just gonna have to do my best to like pass it through here, and then so I can maybe tuck it in here. Alright, just like that, I tucked the wire behind this right there. Now the only thing I have to do is put this piece back, and I'll see what I'm gonna do with this right here. Okay, what I did is I passed the wire through that hole right here, and then I'm just going to press on this. Hopefully there isn't too much wire in there, it just stay there. Let's see if it stay. Yes, it does. Now I'm just gonna bring this up like that, and this one, well, we're just gonna stay right here. Maybe in the future I'll see if I can find a wire that is shorter, so I don't have to do all that. So let me turn the ignition on and see what happened. Yeah, it worked. All right, I think we all set. All right, as you can see, I'm all sweaty. I'm in Florida. Even though it's February, I mean, it's still a little bit cool outside, but when you're here inside the garage, it gets really hot. So this is how you hardwire a radar detector on your Lexus GX. Like I said, if you don't have the Premium Plus or the luxury package, you don't have these big backs right here, it'll be easier. But since I have the Premium Plus, I had to deal with that. That's the hardest part. All right guys, I hope you enjoy, and I hope this video was helpful, and take care. Good night, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next one.